Hi guys, I'm preparing a tutorial for you how to turn this raw image first into this developed version. Then let's go to Photoshop, and in Photoshop we take this original, then we fix it first, bring in some background, then let's select the duck and remove the background. Then let's bring in some mood. This can be also done at a later step. This is only a helper layer. And then bring back the duck. Now let's bring in the mood and finally do some vignetting. And at the end, let's bring some beautiful glass effect like the text into the print. Of course, if you want to sell your prints with that text or without, that's just up to you. Maybe based on pricing, with text it's cheaper than without, and so on and so on. So I'm preparing at the moment this tutorial for you, and yeah, I hope you will like it. See you at the tutorial. Bye bye. If you want to support my work, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell to get informed on new updates.